To get a cash advance from a Chase credit card, you need to understand the process and the associated fees. A cash advance allows you to borrow cash from your credit card account, but it comes with higher interest rates and fees than regular purchases. First, check your available cash advance limit, which is typically lower than your credit limit. You can find this information on your credit card statement or by logging into your online account. To request a cash advance, you can visit a Chase ATM and use your credit card and PIN to withdraw cash. Keep in mind that you will be charged a cash advance fee, which is usually a percentage of the amount withdrawn, plus any ATM fees. Alternatively, you can go to a bank that accepts your credit card and request a cash advance over the counter. You will need to present your credit card and a government-issued ID. Another option is to use a convenience check, which is a check provided by Chase that you can use to access your cash advance limit. You can use this check to pay for expenses or deposit the funds into your bank account. It is essential to note that cash advances do not have a grace period, which means interest will start accruing immediately. To minimize interest charges, it is best to repay the cash advance as soon as possible. Before requesting a cash advance, consider the associated fees and interest rates. Weigh the costs against the benefits and explore alternative options, such as a personal loan or a low-interest credit card. In conclusion, getting a cash advance from a Chase credit card is a relatively straightforward process, but it is crucial to understand the fees and interest rates involved. By following these steps and being mindful of the costs, you can use a cash advance to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies.